Do you want to eat the most amazing puff puff? Like, just look at this. Oh my god. Seriously, puff puff is my life. Then you mix it with ice cream. Can never go wrong. Watch me as I make it.
So I'm going to be using self-rising flour to make this puff puff because we're going to fry it immediately after the mixture. So this is 1 cup like I'm showing you. We're going to be using 3 cups for this particular puff puff, and I used the remaining half towards the end of the video, which I'm going to show you later on. So yes, this is me just making sure that my measurement is correct. And yes, so this is the remaining half of the flour. I didn't want to waste it, so yes, I'm just going to use that. It wasn't up to half, but I used the half cup measurements. Then we proceed with our sugar. For this, I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar like I showed you. Yes, that's 1 cup, but you can do 1.5 cup if you want it like sweeter, but I think 1 cup was enough for me. And I'm going to go in with vanilla extract. You can use nutmeg, you can use what's it called, cinnamon, but I really don't like those, so I'm just using the vanilla extract. I used 2 covers of the vanilla extract to serve as my measurement. You can use teaspoon. Then we're just going to stir this very well till it's smooth. I created a circle in the middle so that I could use my yogurt. So this is the secret ingredient for this puff puff. We're going to be using the creamy Greek style milk yogurt. So you can use any yogurt, fat-free, creamy milk yogurt, any of your choice. For this, I'm going to be using 3.25 cup of yogurt, just so that it's fluffy enough and is not too thick. I was just mixing it because it has stayed for like a while in the fridge. I don't want top to be so oily, and I'm going to go in using my measurements. So this is 1 cup, so I'm going to be using 3 for now. Then I'll use like the remaining quarter towards the end of the video, which I'm going to show you. Now we go in with mixing. You're going to mix this thoroughly. As you can see, as I was mixing it, it was kind of it wasn't easy for me to turn, so I needed to like add more yogurt. But you're just going to mix this until everything has been mixed together, the flour, the vanilla extract. So this is where I mixed the remaining cup, but I didn't use everything. I just used like half or a quarter of it, so that's why I said 3.25 at the beginning. So yes, we're just going to stir this really well until it gives you that smooth texture that you're looking for. You don't want it watery, you don't want it thick, just the right proportion. So as you can see here, some people make theirs slightly thicker than mine, so it's up to you. So far it's not so thick. I already have my hot oil waiting for me, so I'm just going to go in and start cutting my dough into a circular shape. You can use anything to cut your dough into the oil, spoon, pure water sachet like they say, but I was comfortable using my hand to get my desired shape. It doesn't have to be a perfect ball or a perfect circle, so far as it comes out well and it fries well. So anything. Then I'm just going to turn this so that it doesn't get burnt under, and so it doesn't soak oil and everything gets to fry appropriately. Then you want to fry it till it's golden brown, not too brown, but I just like my own this way. So whichever brown you like your puff puff. So far it's done and it's golden brown, you can get it off the fire and your creamy yogurt puff puff is ready to go. And there you have it, guys, our nice puff puff.